Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, February 4th. Stocks on Wall Street will likely take their cues today from the government's January employment report released this morning. We'll bring you the results of that report and all the market reaction after the opening bell. In the meantime, stocks across Europe are broadly higher, with London's FTSE 100 pushing above the 6,000 level, helped by strength in mining, utilities, and banking shares. Most of the major Asian markets remained closed for the Lunar New Year, but Tokyo's Nikkei 225 index rose more than 1% after a major M&A deal. Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal Industries agreed to merge to create the world's second largest steel producer. The move may lead to more consolidation, so be sure to keep an eye on that industry.
Here in the U.S., the fourth quarter earnings season is winding down, but there are a couple big names out with their results today. Aetna reported a 30% increase in net income, roughly in line with expectations. But more important to investors, the insurance giant declared a quarterly dividend of 15 cents a share, pushing Aetna up nearly 10% in the pre-market. Shares of Tyson Foods are also set to open sharply higher, jumping 8% right now. Its quarterly profit and revenue far surpassed Wall Street estimates, thanks to strong sales of its chicken, beef, and pork products. And turning from food to beverages, Fortune Brands posted a big increase in fourth quarter earnings per share, and sales rose 5%.
A couple other big stock movers today are companies that reported earnings after yesterday's closing bell. Las Vegas Sands swung to a quarterly profit after a loss in the same period a year ago, and revenue jumped 57% to more than $2 billion, thanks to brisk business in Macau, a new casino in Singapore, and lower interest rates. But the revenue results came in below estimates, so the stock is slipping more than 5% ahead of the bell. On the other side of the spectrum is JDSU, formerly known as JDS Uniphase. The networking gear manufacturer is soaring more than 20% after topping expectations with its quarterly earnings and sales figures.
Analyst actions may move some other stocks today. Tiffany is gaining more than 5% in pre-market trading, following an upgrade from Oppenheimer. Oppenheimer may also affect shares of Blackstone Group today. It boosted the price target on that stock to $72 a share after Blackstone reported strong quarterly results yesterday. But First Solar may decline again today after Kaufman Brothers cut its rating on that stock from buy to hold. And finally, keep an eye on shares of Kellogg. Both Wells Fargo and BMO Capital upgraded it to outperform after the cereal maker boosted its 2011 sales outlook yesterday. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.